first if you're comfortable.
I can
Yeah,
also
I'm
go first.
fine.
Yeah.
But if Padmaji is ready, like she
Yeah,
wants
I
to
can
go
do
first,
first. Yeah.
Okay,
she wants to
let's
do.
go ahead
Okay.
then. So
I'll
most
just take off
welcome,
the
ma'am.
video and
Your
then I'll
first,
start.
your first session.
Okay, my first session, my first try. Yes. Thanks to Rajeshwari for accepting me to present.
Oh my God.
Having known me. Okay. Okay. So, this is a book by Adam Grant, and this is Think Again. Okay. So, the concept here is of just a second. Okay. I'll sit in a proper place. Just okay. Okay. So, the concept here is we are now going to get into these. This book is basically divided into three aspects. Okay. One is individual rethinking. It's all like your thinking process is shifted into three areas. It's divided into three areas, which is individual rethinking. And the first part is individual rethinking, where uh, uh, so we it's an invitation for us to let go of the knowledge and opinions that which no longer serve us well, and then it is a challenge for us to anchor ourselves. That is, we need to be more flexible here in our thought process, rather than, see, the consistency is not the key here. Being flexible is the key. And hello, hello, hello.
Go ahead, Padma ma'am.
Okay, okay, there was some disturbance in between. Okay. So, here, what was I talking about? I said, okay, the flexibility is a core aspect here, and then the hallmark of wisdom. See, the real wisdom here is to know when it is a time for us to abandon our beliefs and that treasure tools. Like, we hold on to beliefs. So it is not that we should be flexible. We should not keep holding on to our beliefs and tools. So we should know the proper time when to abandon these and just not hold on to it. So here, what he in chapter 1, so the first 4 chapters is going to cover the individual rethinking. So the first chapter is like there are like the what Adam says is, when we, as we think and talk, we often we slip our mindset into three different professions, like a preacher mode, or a prosecutor mode, or a politician mode. For example, what is a preacher mode? Preacher mode is like you preach something, like we preachers, whenever our sacred beliefs, like it is it is challenged. When beliefs are challenged, we automatically we get into a protective mode, a defensive mode. So we here now we preach to defend our views, whatever we have, without listening to the other's perspective. So whatever the other's perspective is, we don't listen to it. So this is very risky, because we miss here out on learning. We don't learn here. So the other mode is a prosecutor mode. This prosecutor mode is, it's always like you win an argument, you want to win. It's more about winning an argument than understanding the point. So you don't understand what is the point that you are going to convey. All you want to know is you want to win an argument. That is the prosecutor mode. So we act as prosecutors when we recognize flaws in someone's, when we recognize some flaws or mistakes in someone else's reasoning. So we prove them wrong and we want to win our case. So that is the prosecutor mode. The next mode is, it's a politician mode, which is obviously, like we want to seek an audience approval. We campaign for support, often tell people what they want to hear. So the politicians, they have some ideas, so they want to hear that ideas through the uh, audience. So that is the prosecutor mode. And what is a genuine? So this is to score the votes, genuinely. So what we actually need is the scientist mode. That is, what we can do in a scientist mode is nothing but like we need to be very what do you say, very very it's a growth mindset. Okay, we need to be extremely liberating or relieving, and a scientist mode is treating their ideas. So when you have an idea, you treat your idea as an hypothesis and the data as an evidence. So this mind, what it activates, this mindset, it activates the rethinking cycle. Like, you want to learn, you want to discover, you want to spark the curiosity. So here, this is the right mode, which Grant feels that you should always be in the scientist mode. And that learning and that curiosity, it needs to be there. So this is what was the entire first chapter all about. So be in the scientist mode. But even scientists, sometimes I understand that professional scientists, they turn into preacher mode when curiosity gets, it replaced by conviction. They want to prove that they are right. Sometimes they also get into this preacher mode. But the ideal thing is being in a scientist mode where the curiosity is open and just want to discover things. Okay. And the second chapter is, it's more on the where you find the confidence sweet spot. So this is the confident humility as per Adam Grant. What he says is there are two syndromes in this chapter. He's discussing more about. That is, the one is the armchair quarterback and the other is the imposter syndrome. The armchair quarterback is nothing but, it's overconfidence, thinking that you are an expert without even the skills or knowledge. I know everything. Don't bother me with facts. Like, for example, like someone says they must have never coded in their life, even in a day, but they say, but telling his developer in the office or in his co-developer, just telling them how to build an app. So this is an overconfidence. So this is called as armchair quarterback. In fact, I just wanted to exactly explain what the term armchair, the name, how it got. It is called as armchair because it mirrors the behavior of a certain football fans. Like you must have seen some football fans, like they will sit comfortably at home in an armchair, far from the actual field. They won't be in the field, but they know more than they think they know more than the professional coaches. And in this mode, what they will say, no, in this mode, they will prosecute the coach. They will give comment. They'll comment on the coach for his feedback, saying that they'll preach about a better playbook. They could have guided like this, or despite having no actual expertise. So that's why they say no. They relaxedly, they do not know the situation, but they will just sit comfortably in a armchair, and then they'll give the comment. So this is one syndrome. The other is the imposter syndrome, which is underconfidence. Armchair is overconfidence. Imposter is underconfidence, which actually, like they know everything, but they will still, they will feel that I know nothing and everyone will figure it out. Somehow I will get caught. So the first one is too confident. And the second one, the imposter syndrome, is about being too unsure. So either you should not have that overconfidence nor the imposter syndrome. And you'll have to bring the balance as the key. So here, confident humility is the balance. That is the sweet spot. Okay, so the confidence humility is a sweet spot here. And you will have to, like, I know my stuff, but I'm always up to improve. And this is the growth mindset. So when you compare yourself, when you have the growth mindset and the self-awareness, you win. The confidence wins. So this is the spot where you own your skills, but stay curious and grounded always. So this is the second chapter. The third one is the joy of being wrong. That is, what Grant says here is, we must overthrow our totalitarian egos. Like, we will be having a lot of ego in ourselves. Like, we will have our inner dictator, our inner self, that it acts as a bodyguard for our mind. It always feeds our comforting. When we say some lies, it comforts us. It feeds our mind here. And for which, to come out of this, we need two aspects, like identity detachment and temporal detachment. What is identity detachment? That is, to enjoy being wrong, we must always detach our opinion from our identity. That is what he says is, what Grant challenges here is that being wrong is a threat to our identity. That's not the case. So be detachment, that is to enjoy being wrong. Don't let the past mistakes or successes define your current self. Like, for example, like I did that, now I am here. So this is, your present self isn't stuck to what happened before. So don't get stuck there. You're free to evolve. So understand the concept that, we are all evolving. So just understand this concept that you're free to evolve, and your opinions your opinions form our identity. So opinions are just thoughts. Understand that opinions are just thoughts and not who you are. You can change them without changing yourself. You can change your opinions. Like how, like for instance, I thought this, now I think this is this. It is not a big deal, no biggie. Earlier I thought this, now I think this is right. So accept it. So be very clear that you're free to evolve here. So, and then what is this? The reward here is embracing error is a moment of discovery. So what he says is celebrate being wrong. That's what is the key here. So you celebrate being wrong, which means he's now less wrong than he was before. That's what you should celebrate. I'm less wrong. That is the area of discovery which he is applauding about. And the fourth chapter is a good fight club. So this is the final chapter of the what is it? The first rethinking, that is individual rethinking. So what he says here is, there are the psychology of constructive conflict is what is spoken about here. So he distinguishes, there are two conflicts. So relationship conflict and task conflict. What is relationship conflict? Relationship conflict is nothing but, like, did I talk about values over belief? Okay. Before this, I will just add a line saying about highlighting values over beliefs. Supposing you have your values intact over beliefs. That is, you have supposing, for example, you have your value as honesty. The belief is, I should always tell the truth directly to the face. Okay, let's consider a scenario here. A friend is asking me if this new outfit is good. Or let me say, I'm asking, okay, I'm sorry, I'll go back again saying that a friend is asking me if this new outfit, what she's wearing is good. But and she's also having a bad day that day. Either maybe because she's stressed, or the outfit is a bit off, like she's already feeling very self-conscious and she's not happy. So in this case, your value is honesty. You need to be very truthful. That is your value. Where you can adjust is your belief. So what you tell her you look great, but maybe style it differently next time. So that, your value is intact. That is, your honesty is intact and you stayed true to it, but you adjusted how you expressed it. So your belief is, you adjust it accordingly. So this is value over belief, one of the point. Okay. Then now I'll go to the fourth chapter, which is the good fight club. So here is what I was talking about. The constructive conflict is the ideal thing. And there are two conflicts, like relationship conflict and the task conflict. The relationship conflict is, it is very personal. It's filled with animosity. And what it actually says is, emotions, that is personal and emotional clash are always, it's running high. Supposing you and someone very close to you, you have a clash, and emotions, it gets messy. It is very personal feeling, your personal feeling, it gets hurt. And it is hard to see eye to eye. You don't like to see the person because you're personally offended. So you don't want to see them eye to eye. So this issue is not just about the topic. So you forget about the topic. So you only, get engrossed into the that hurt that you have. So it is about it's you both. So this is very destructive. It is a barrier to rethinking. So this is not good. And the other one is task conflict. That is when people debate ideas, opinions, it clashes. And that is actually good. It means you are pushing boundaries, innovating and getting better. So here, the challenging network is like your squad. That is, for example, our Feld group, like I have never presented earlier. This is my first try. And uh, this network is, I used to always tell that I have fear presenting. I have an anxiety when I present. I'm not very confident, and all these things was there. But now I truly understand that this is, and to truly understand this is a place where we want to, where the others help you to come out, because you're not, I'm sure I've got the idea that you are all not going to judge me. And whereas I'm sure your Pinaki and Vasu, I have never seen them sugarcoating. They can never say, oh, wow, and all that. So they just immediately come out with, points saying that, no, you're wrong. You can do this. I just initially, when I started the conversation, Pinaki was guiding me in certain areas. So what I wanted to say is, this is, speaks truth, even if it is tough. So this is the challenging network which I need to have. And I this is the fourth chapter, and the takeaway here for me is, from the entire fourth chapter, which I wanted to share it with all of you, is wisdom is not a destination, but it is a constant updating. So to think again, we must adopt the scientist frame of mind. So find the sweet spot, that is the confident humility, and detach our egos from our ideas. Okay, so by doing this, we will turn our mistakes into discoveries, allowing us and allowing our thinking to finally take off. I think I will continue with the other two aspects next Friday. Thank you.
So good,
I
ma'am.
will, I will now break the first try. No, I'm also
Padmaji,
one of.
thank you. Because of this, I picked up the book and I started reading. The book was in my shelf.
Okay.
And
I
then
did buy
I
a book.
went at
Yes.
the end, Actions for Impact,
Okay.
30 practical takeaways. So
Okay.
thank you. Thank you.
Honored. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
How are you feeling, Padma ma'am? That I would like to know.
I am feeling good, but I want to give more and more, like I think it's okay. This is my first try. I missed out on so many points. I wrote everything in the last 2 hours. In fact, I just prepared, I wrote it in my notebook, but I could have given those points, absolutely, but no, I always have a time. Next Friday, I can compensate for, in case if not in case I have missed few points, I can definitely compensate those along with the chapter that I'm going to present next week. I think I will not stop. Once I have the taste of presenting, I think I'll be a non-stop presenter, provided
Yes.
I do not have any other agenda, like I don't have any other commitments. I would love to present always.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Thank you
We
so
can
much.
do presentation in a month, no problem.
So
Pardon me?
Rajeshwari, we have got a regular presenter now.
Yes,
I didn't get you.
he's telling we have a good presenter now.
Every
Thank you.
Friday.
Thank you for supporting me. In fact, I was just telling, that Challenge Network is already with me to
Padmaji,
encourage me to.
we want you to present every Friday,
Thank you. I'm so happy, and
subject to your
in fact, absolutely. Your voice is breaking, or is my network poor?
No, sir, voice is breaking.
Okay, okay.
My
And this,
network is poor.
okay, okay. And this challenge network is what I'm going to totally rely on. Like I understand you're all there to encourage, and I really want to learn. So this is going to be a good alignment, and I think I will take it forward. Thank you so much.
I will write the takeaways from your session in the group. So now I would like Nisha to present whatever she has with her for us.
Okay. Um, you are not going ahead. Okay, so I'll go ahead. Okay, okay. Just let
I'm
me
your
know
host, so
once my.
I will invite all the speaker first to go.
Okay. Okay, I'll try to share. Yeah, my screen. Okay. Is it visible, all of you? Yes. Anyone can let me know.
Yes, Nisha.
It's visible. Okay, good.
Yes,
So
yes.
just bear with me for the technical things. No, I have presented before, I know, but somehow it's like I might have forgotten because it's very long. I have presented now. So uh, the next slide, is it visible now? This one? Questions?
Yes, Nisha.
Okay. So
Yes.
before I go ahead, no, I want all of you to just think about these things like what is your favorite tree? What is your favorite color? If it's possible for you, just make a note of it, and at the end of the session, you can let me know about it. I mean, and there is no, I'm not obligating you. It is your wish. Just I want to know, I want to cross check with something. So I hope you people have answered all the four.
Yes, I done.
Yeah. Yes, I have done.
I mean, just take little bit time, think about it really. I mean, what you like. Just don't do it for the sake of doing it. I mean, just don't do it in a flash of a second like that. Just think about it little bit. What do you really like? Like, what is your liking like that? Okay.
Mm.
So, is it done? Should I go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, this is the book I'm going to talk about. Anybody has read it before, have known about it? Uh, Mine, I would like to be an interactive session. It's not like I'm just going to be presenting. Please, if you can unmute and let me know. So, has anybody seen this or talked about this or known about this before? This book?
First time from. No, Nisha. First time.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Thank
This
you,
book I do not know, but I know this is second Rasi.
sir.
Since I'm learning Jyotish,
Sir,
after
that
Aries, Taurus is a second Rasi.
wow, sir. Okay. So why I chose this book first, I would like to talk about that. Why I chose this book. It's not that I chose the book chose me. So let me explain a little bit about it. So in August, it's a summer. Like I live in, currently I am in Europe. So July and August are the summer vacations here, like how we have May, April, May, like that. So here it will be July and August. So, and I have a good second hand bookstore, English here, because this is a Polish country, those they speak Polish here mostly. So to find an English bookstore is a blessing actually. So I found a nearby second-hand bookstore, and then I was just browsing through the books I want to buy, and somehow I found this. So this is, as Sir said, this is my, I mean, one of my family members, Rashi. I don't want to disclose it right now. So it is one of the Rashi. So I thought, okay, let us buy it. But to be very frank, I never read that book. I just gave it to the person, whoever it is in my family, and I didn't even, I mean, go through it. But recently, I don't know, somehow I felt like I wanted to read it, so I just opened the book, and I was surprised to see, are you able to see this? The, I mean, that is the cover page, and the second one, no, which I have shown here.
Yes.
So
Yes, Nisha.
So I was no when I just opened the book, I was surprised. I mean, when I'm reading that to Miley, happy 15th birthday, love mom and dad, and all these. So that means this is a sunshine book which is given by parents to their daughter. I hope that is the daughter Miley. So I don't know about the English names much. So it intrigued me, because in India, when you talk about Rashis, astrologies, and all, at least in my awareness, I have never seen such books in India. Have you seen? I mean, let me know if anybody have you seen such books, and that too in English. I mean, in maybe Indian languages we might have some books, but I don't know if there are such specific Rashi books, I mean, in India available, and parents gifting their child on their like 15th birthday or something like that. So this is a second hand book, as I said. So that's why I was very surprised, and then I thought, okay, let me read first of all what this book has. I mean, we have been reading from this group. If we see, we share so many PDFs, we have so many things we want to share, we want to gift books which are very well known bestsellers and all like that, isn't it? But we will never think about gifting such books to our children and like that. But what intrigued me was this, whatever written on there, and you are smart and you are beautiful. So I was like, okay, so people सात समंदर पार भी they are interested in astrology, and यहाँ पर भी लोग ऐसे मतलब बच्चों को ये देते हैं. हम तो कभी ऐसे सोच भी नहीं सकते कि हमारे बच्चों को we will give something like this, their sun sign or moon sign like that. So I thought, okay, let me go through the book. Then I started. This is why that is my motivation to read this book. And look at the cover itself, no? I mean, it is, it is gold embossed sort of. So I mean, lot of work has been put on. Like, I mean, those who are authors here, like Pinaki, and like my son has also published recently. So we know how much detail we have to go through for having the cover page, or what kind of page should be, what color should be, all these things, design of the book. So that also, it amazed me like anything. So that was my motivation to read the book. Okay, so then next page, I mean, inside that, she has sorry, the book author name is Stella Andromeda, and she has written all the, I mean, all the 12 rashis, the sun signs, all the zodiac signs. She has written the books, and inside that it's like this, like introduction, and then get to know Aries. Like, this is about the first rashi actually, Aries, and then Aries deep dive. So everything she has mentioned it, so I mean, in so much detail, about the birth chart, about the moon, about the Mercury retrograde, Saturn, all that, no, such in detail like that. So all this, to be very frank, I didn't read the give me more part in that fully, but because it is too astrological, so I could not, I mean, even though I read it, I could not get it much. I could not understand it much. But the thing is, what she has given in the first, these things, no, get to know Aries. So it's like, I generally like understanding people, their behavior, kind of psychology, you can say, like how humans behave in different situations, how they interact or whatever. So I like to understand people. So when I read this, then I thought she's giving so much detail about all the characteristics of all the sun signs. Like, I mean, here you can see the PPT I have presented, so that Aries, about Aries characteristics. So how Aries people, they their characteristics are. So what are their physical characteristics, how they communicate, what about their careers, and how they gel with other people, and who they can love. all these, I mean, some details I can't even tell you. I mean, I can't talk about it here. So she has given such things like so detail about humans. We can't imagine. I mean, when I think about astrology, can anyone tell me what is astro? What does it mean, astro? Or what do you think of astrology, like that?
Astro means about the planets or heavenly bodies.
Okay, did you just check it or you just knew it? So,
I know it. I know it. I know
okay,
that.
okay, good. So astro is something outer space. That is what it is about. And when you see astrology, so like biology, bio means life and logy is study of. So astro is study of the things which are outside of Earth's, I mean, space, whatever. So, but when we say astrology in India, to even say astrology, we say, अरे ये क्या boring है, ये क्या इसमें believe करती है, she is superstitious, she is that, he is that, whatever. We blame, and we blame astrologers. I mean, it has become like that, isn't it? But when you come to Western countries and you see such things, I mean, it amazes me to core, like how people are creating books on it. They are writing it. I mean, the book, as I said, the design of it, it was also so appealing. I was just amazed about it, and they are writing it. I mean, I haven't seen, like, anybody. Have you seen such books in India? Like, I'm not aware of. So, sorry.
No, I was just about to say, if you're presenting, maybe after this, I can talk to you after your presentation. I don't want to
Okay.
interrupt now. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
And
yeah.
what I want to say, like, few of the, I
Can I
mean,
say
local
something,
language.
Nisha, on this?
Yes, sir, please go ahead.
See,
Yes.
I have attended, say, about 6 or 7 Sundays, full Sundays. There's a 3 year astrology class.
Course, yes.
There are plenty of books. See, there is a Hora Shastra by Parasar. Parasar was
Yes.
father of Vedvyas.
Yes.
And there is Vidya Mira's Vrat Jatak. And
Yes.
what you are saying, the astronomy, first there is a astronomy, like when we are studying the time calculation, and it's so scientific. Last Sunday
Correct.
on Astro Says, I filled up my detail and 100% correct. So this in India we have to uh, enlighten the people that astrology is for a guidance. It is not a
Yes.
prediction.
Exactly. Exactly, sir.
And
That's what
therefore
my point
people
is.
don't believe predictions, and all these those astrologers, they misuse the situation. When somebody is in difficulty, they go to astrologers. But
Yes.
what you said, na, this Taurus or this book gifted by the parents, this book will tell them the innate ability of a person. What we are
Correct.
talking, passion or ikigai, that will
Yes.
come also through this kind of book.
Yes. Thank you
So
so
it
much,
is an
sir.
amazing,
Yeah.
like there are 27 nakshatra, that astro, and
Correct.
each one is
Correct.
divided into 4 parts. So the position of them, and on 11th April we will be seeing them in the sky live.
Yes.
Those taras.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
And
sir.
maybe I
That's
may be
what.
taking a session on this maybe after 4 5 months.
Okay,
Done the
that will be
study on
good.
that.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. So that will be good. So that's what I'm coming to. Like, what is astrology? She has also mentioned in the book, like in the introduction part, she has given what is astrology. So, in simple terms, she has given that astrology is a study and interpretation of how the planets can influence us and the world in which we live through an understanding of their positions at a specific place in time. Like just now, sir mentioned time and all that. Then, one more thing she has given is it is not so much for divination or telling the future, it is a guidebook. that provides greater insight and more thoughtful way of approaching life. So that is what I liked about it. I mean, as I said, when to be very frank, like my own father-in-law is an astrologer. But then in the family, like my in-laws is a joint family, like around 50 people, you can say. We were all living together. So I have seen in my family itself people not giving so much respect or importance to these things. So even I have, my father was also used to, I mean, he used to see the panchang. Maybe all of you are, we are Indians, right? We may be knowing about the panchang. All of you may
Yes.
be knowing about the panchang. So
Yes.
my father used to see the panchang, and then we used to like ridicule, like, ye kya dekhna hai? What is it? I mean, why do you have to see this? All like we used to do like that, ridicule him. But he was never bothered about it. But what is my point is, we think astrology like a, I mean, something like to be ridiculed of. I mean, it was like that, at least for me, for many years. Even though I did not disrespected it fully, but somehow I used to crack jokes around it or like that. But when I started reading about it, you will not believe, it's not an easy subject to deal with. It is such a, I mean, detailed science. It is actually a science. It is,
Mm.
when you go through it, you will understand how many aspects an astrologer has to think about before giving any prediction to you. I mean, some of them may be using it, like you can see, no, like for some of the doctors also, they prescribe you something on trial and basis error. So you don't, I mean, you don't immediately criticize the doctor, but definitely you will not go back to the doctor again, isn't it? So some of the astrologers might have done like that. I'm not saying that it is like that, but when you really study about that astrology, you will understand it is such a, detailed, I mean, scientific thing to go through. I mean, it will take a lot of your time to understand it. And then as she has given in the book about the sun signs. So it takes 365 days for the earth to orbit the sun, and in doing so, the sun appears to spend a month traveling through each sign of the zodiac. Now, this point was like an, I mean, I never knew about this. So, whenever we talked about zodiacs, we just know that, okay, these people from this date to this date, they are this zodiac, they are this zodiac, like that. But I never paid attention to the fact that it is because of the sun. It is the sun which is, I mean, because of the movement of the sun, it's like that. So, I don't know, if people are not paying attention, they will say, why are you talking about the zodiac signs and all that? Who will believe in that? It's like that. But recently we had Makar Sankranti, isn't it? That's because of the transit of the sun. So it is such a big thing. I mean, when you talk about the planets, when you talk about something outside the earth, in the space, it is definitely affecting us. When we talk about the sun, now yesterday I went to the doctor, and doctor, she told me that, why are you not taking vitamin D tablets? Don't you know there is no sun here, so you must take it. So it is such an important aspect. We know, everybody of us, we know that because of sun there is life on earth, isn't it? So why not believe in this little bit? Like, if sun is affecting us so much, we think other planets are not affecting us. I don't know, this is just my thought, my belief. After reading this book, I just got these thoughts, so I just want to share with all of you. So as she has said, knowing what sun signs you and your family, friends, and your, I mean, the lovers and all, provides you with just the beginning of the insights into character and personality that astrology can help you discover. Then she has also given this, you know, I just want to, I mean, when I was in Canada, like some 18 years ago, like that, I wanted to journal. I used to write diary, and I used to journal so much. So I wanted to write something about the five elements. and I always felt myself like, what am I? If I want to become an element, which element I will be, like that. So I always felt that I am like water. I can adapt to situations like that. And when I'm seeing this here, she has given this prediction. I mean, not prediction, I don't know. This is what I'm, maybe it is also there in our astrology books also, that these signs they come under air, these signs they come under fire, these signs they come under earth, these signs they are under water. So if you might have seen some people, no, आप ऐसे बोलते भी होगे कि ये तो जब भी मुंह खुलता है आग उगलता है. You must have said like that for somebody. I mean, not exactly in the words which I am saying, but you say like, ये तो कभी भी हवा में बात करती रहती है ऐसे. So you know, you in our general use also, we use so much of the elements. ये तो ऐसे ही है, पानी की तरह पिघल जाता है ऐसे, something we use such words in our conversation, daily conversations. So when you see that, no, if you check the person's rashi and you try to check the what element it comes under, you will see, I mean, you will not believe, it will be like an eye opener for you. You say, no, some people are grounded. Don't you use that word? You say some people are down to earth, isn't it? So these conversations, I mean, I just gave a lot of thought about it, and I felt like what she has written here, mentioned here, it's such, I mean, so true. It was I don't know how to say, I don't know how to use other words for it. It is like eye opener for me. And to know that I mean, सात समंदर पार भी लोग यही सोचते हैं, ऐसे ही है जैसे इंडिया में है, यहाँ पर भी यही है. तो that was really fascinating for me. So this was like, I just took this from Google, and I was thinking कि कैसे affect होता होगा. I mean, on Earth, if we are living on Earth, why does other planets or something that affect us? So sun is the biggest star, and sun is affecting us. So I was just thinking, comparing कि और भी हम जब बोलते हैं शनि की दशा चल रही है, Jupiter is, I think it's called Guru, right? So that Mars is action planet, Venus is beauty. So they have given like this in our astrological things. So I was just thinking, see, when you compare even NASA, this is picture given by NASA. So when sun is affecting us so much, moon is also affecting us so much. If I don't know many people you know or not, moon affects the oceans, isn't it? The tides, the highs and lows of the waves and all, everything. That is why our I hope I'm not taking more time, Rajeshwari. Should I continue? I don't know.
Continue, Nisha. Don't break the flow. Just continue.
Okay, no, because you also wanted to present, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
I just saw time, so
I will be doing next time. It's not a big deal.
okay, thank you so much. So I was just thinking, you know, that moon इतना affect करता है पानी पे, कि पानी में, ocean में जो tides आते हैं, highs होता है, low होता है, that is affected by a small moon which you can't even see in this solar system. I mean, right now, if you see the I mean, there is only one dot, you can see that. But if that small dot is affecting us so much, and why does it affect us? Because we are also made up of 70% is water, isn't it? So if you have heard somebody that they say, no, कि हमारे यहाँ ऐसे बोलते हैं कि 2 दिन रुक जाओ. You know why they say 2 दिन रुक जाओ? I mean, the elder people used to say, think about it for 2 days. After that, you decide. You know why they say such things? Because as sir was saying, no, Rajkumar sir was saying that there are 27 nakshatras. So the moon travels. I mean, the moon, like how sun lives for a month in one constellation, the same way the moon, I'm sorry if I'm interchanging the words, I'm not like, I've not got the hold of these astrological terms yet. I don't know if I'm interchanging something, please forgive me. So what I know is the moon changes. Like हम जो story बोलते हैं ना कि मून की इतने मून गॉड की इतनी सारी वाइफ्स थी, he had so many 26, 27 wives. Actually that is a
27
story.
wives.
Yes, so that is the story which is woven for us to remember that moon travels each, I mean, 2.5 days. He will be, I mean, the moon god will be in one nakshatra. That is how it is. I mean, that is how our rishis and all know, you know, it is amazing me so much. I'm just amazed कि उन्होंने ऐसे stories create किए कि हम सालों साल तक, कितने युगों तक ये सब याद रख सके. So when they say no
And he
that
stays
take two
close to
days time,
Rohini always.
correct. So when they say no, take 2 days time, it is because like that. Like that is, if after 2 days also you want to do the same thing, that means your mind is not affected because moon ये मन का कारक है. So moon, it affects your emotions, it affects your heart. It's like that. So that is why they tell you take 2 days time off. Like if you are in anger or if you are in a hurry to do something, so you are not sure of the decision. Sometimes after 2 days, you understand that maybe the decision is not correct, or maybe it is not the right time to take the decision now. It's like that. So that is how, I mean, I was just surprised to relate, no, correlate all these things. So, and I want to study more. Like sir said, he has joined some course. I don't know when I will join. I don't know. And that is, I think. So what I did is I ordered all the 12 Rashi's books and I started reading them because I was so, as I said, you can see with my the energy which I'm talking, I'm so amazed with her writing, Stella Andromeda. I'm so
You
grateful to
already
her.
joined by reading Taurus book.
Sorry, sir.
You already joined the course by reading the Taurus book.
Yeah, okay, sir. So I just ordered. I mean, even though my husband is like, as I said, he's not interested in all this. So he said, you don't have to read all these things. But I just felt, you know, I wanted to read, especially one thing is to compare between the Western people thinking and their things and the Indian things, because Indians, we follow the lunar calendar, and that is like the moon. We say that is more important. I mean, not exactly more important, but we see the moon Rashi. But here, Western culture, they see the sun Rashi. So the sun travels in the zodiac, that is the sun signs, we say. So all this, to know and read about all these things, I was just I mean, totally intrigued and amazed and curious to go through all these things. So thank you so much. And I have
Yeah, just
actually many slides. I don't know, but see, she has also given about the 12 houses. And see, look at the, I mean, oh, I didn't want to show you all of you the what she has given, but I just want you to show the see the pictures, no? See Aries, how she has given it, Libra and Scorpio. I mean, just look at the pictures. I mean, they are so, if you are really a book lover, you will see the book and you will immediately, I mean, your attention will go to that, isn't it? It is so colorful and like this. So I just love to, I mean, even see the books, even if you don't go through it, like you can just see how she has designed. I mean, she or her team, whatever they have designed it. So I just loved it, and she has also given about the, um, as I said, all the details about all the rashis and how the people will behave. All this she has talked about how they will be, and so I will come back to the questions now because I'm going to end it. So,
yeah, just to the adding to that, someone has put a message also. The Indian system follows both are related to us, both the sun sign and the moon and the sun. We follow
correct.
both of them.
Yes,
Okay.
correct.
And
But generally, when
for
you
the
say no, when somebody asks you your Gotra and all that details, no, you will say
Yeah, when you
Nakshatra.
are telling
That
the
is
nakshatra, you tell based on the sun, moon
moon
in
sign. That is
our
what.
south central states, that is Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. So what we the south central railway was. So that area we tell that. But if you go to Odisha and West Bengal, or you even go to Tamil Nadu, they will tell you
They
the
follow
nakshatra of
sun.
the sun that is followed. So,
Yes, correct.
so there is a change in India also different. Even Gujarat follows certain thing related to the sun, where the Tropic of Cancer is there, because the sun in the west you have something related to sun in one of the place in Gujarat, and on the east you have Konark where you have the sun temple. So India is a combination of so many things that as you go to different places, you will learn different things within India. At least I have now covered three sides of India, and being from Maharashtra, I also cover the West. So uh, it's always a new learning that comes out. And in our own Date Panchang, because I started reading Date Panchang in its own form maybe from the time I was in sixth or seventh class. So in that, if you see, open the each Rashi, it will tell what kind of element this person is related to, and all those things are given. And I have shared to you on one-to-one in WhatsApp. There you can listen to Sharad Upadhyay. He speaks in Marathi, and about each Rashi's character, how those people are, what are their kind of reactivity to things and all that. So how that is affecting the mind of the people, whether the sun is strong with them or moon is strong with them, whether they behave based on sun or moon, all those things are given. I did not do it as a study, but what it called as in Marathi we call it as chand. It just like you want to listen, you listen, and whatever you capture, you capture. So that way I have understood whatever little I know, but many things I feel that they are not too foreign to me. I am able to connect to it very quickly.
Yes, thank you so much. Whatever you have said, like as I said, my father, we have like every year
Yeah,
for
yeah.
Gudi Padwa, we have the Panchang, we do the Panchang
Yes.
reading. And I have heard about the Rashi Chakra, like YouTube videos, I have done it. I have the book Rashi Chakra, like my sister has it. So,
Okay.
but
Good.
in English, I was mostly majorly saying about in English, like uh,
Yeah.
as I said, in Indian languages, we may be having lot of literature, but in
In English
English, I
also,
haven't seen.
everything has been translated and available. So
Yes, okay.
in India also
One
those
more
things
thing I
are.
wanted to like request any of you if you have Surya Siddhanta, like is it read in this group before or something? I just want that book, like if you can share, like so because all this is based on Surya Siddhanta. So I mean, not this one Western thing, I don't know. Indian thing, I have just, as sir was, astrosage and all. So through the YouTube videos, I just found out that Surya Siddhanta is a thing. And one more thing I just wanted to share that this year, as per I think numerology, it is, I don't know as per what, it is sun's year. So I thought we all can just, I mean, thanks the sun, no, we can every day we should thank actually, but they say last year it was of Mars or something, I don't remember exactly. So last year was of Mars, and this year it is of sun. So I think every day of the year, if we thank all the I can see, when I was in Chennai, they specially do this Navgraha Puja, every temple like that. So all this, it is so interrelated. I mean, the puja, it is based on the science, isn't it? So we should, I mean, we why not thank the planets, like just now which I have shown you the NASA picture. So when you see the picture, obviously they must be having some influence on us, isn't it? When the planet itself is such a big planet in terms of Earth, why not they will have some influence on us. If moon is such a small dot, I mean not exactly dot, but if moon is so small in when compared to all the planets, and moon can have influence on us, don't you think Saturn and Jupiter will have influence on us? So I don't know. This is my, I mean, as I said, this is my thought, my views, and I would like to say thank you to all of you to being patient to listen to me and allowing me to present my views, my summary. And I want all of you to just thank the sun. And yesterday, my doctor also reminded me to do that. So, to have vitamin D tablets, I'm thanking sun a lot. You know, when you are in such conditions, you will do it. I mean, as it is, I would like to be grateful all the time, but I am more grateful this year to sun. Thank you so much. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you so much, Nisa. The question that you asked, would you like to connect it with? I'm curious to know.
Actually, then yes, I mean, if you all can type in the group, Feld group, your favorite things, then maybe I'll respond there because I don't know, do we have time now? I have to like go through all the books, isn't it? Like what you have.
You
I
can do
hope you
one
understand
trial
what
for
I'm
one.
saying. Yeah,
Someone
sorry.
who is volunteer. You can do for one person what you want to check with. Like those
Uh,
questions that you asked, what is your favorite tree? What is your favorite?
okay, then somebody's sun sign is Taurus because that book I have in my hand. I don't know whose sun sign is Taurus, so nobody wants to reveal now.
I am
Is
not.
it like
Although my name starts with V, and as per certain systems, if the word name starts with V, then it is Vrushab Rasi. But as per our system, my Rashi is Dhanu, and as per sun sign, it's Leo.
no? I mean, as per your birthday, you can say no. The sun signs are
Because
like
sun sign is
see,
Leo.
Taurus is
My
21st
sun
April to
sign is
20th
Leo.
May.
Yeah, yeah. Mine is Leo.
And then I'll have to check the Leo book. So that's what I'm saying. Like all of you can message in the group, like those who wish to, or you can
Can I
message me
add
personally.
something, Nisha? Can I add something?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, sure. Please go ahead. Yeah.
See, this Rasi also, we will know when we will put time, the place of the birth, uh, and date,
Gratitude.
and even the time is, when the child cries. So even 2 minutes makes a difference.
Yes, sir.
And
I agree with
what
you.
you said, 27 nakshatra and 9 grah. So there are 27 multiplied by 9 variations in the zodiac effect. And another thing, we have this 108 in mala and other things. So 12 rasis multiplied by 9 grah, it comes to 108 and things like that. So it's a very detailed thing. And this zodiac sign comes after the exact calculation. It does not come by name and other things. That is one way of indicating. And Astro Sage is a very good app. Uh, and if we put our time, the place where we were born, the village name or exact time and the date, it will give us a zodiac sign, the appropriate zodiac sign.
Yes, sir. So why,
Thank you.
as I said, no, like if you go to in the Indian part, you have a very detailed thing in it. So what I found is this Western thing, no, what they are following sun signs from this date to this date, all of them are these sun signs. So that becomes like as we have all, I mean, I don't know how many of you, but those who have studied in English medium, no, we have this issue. हम सोचते हैं इंग्लिश में है लेकिन हम है तो देसी तो मतलब समझ में आता है दोनों भी तरफ से लेकिन इंग्लिश का भी समझ में आता है लेकिन हमारी मातृभाषा का भी ज़्यादा हमको ये लगता है इट इज़ लाइक वी आर मिक्सचर ऑफ ऑल दिस सो फॉर मी नो इंग्लिश में पढ़ूंगी तो पहले if I have given a choice between Marathi and English, I'll go to English first because I've been studying in English medium, right? That is the thing. So English में है तो this makes me I mean go for it and it is easy. So यहाँ पे जो dates दिए हैं ना, like with that zodiac signs, I think most of them that will be at least they will be like easy, because when I tried जैसे पंचांग का मैंने बताया, when I tried as Vasudev, he said that we share, I mean he has shared and all. So when I opened it, उसमें इतने सारी चीजें दिए हैं कि I was like, oh my God, it will take me, as somebody has mentioned in the chat just now, I was reading, it is a lifetime thing for me if I start now to understand, because there are so many things, and that's how I feel like deeply respectful to the astrologers who are really doing their job. I mean, those who really are in that, no, it is not an easy science. I mean, I think doctor karna easy hoga इससे I feel I don't know. I am just like amazed by this. So I just want to, just for a fun, I wanted to see, because she has given no lucky color, lucky ye, favorite pet and all. So I thought we will have a fun with this. If let me see if it is matches, like so. Those who have birthdays from 21st April to 20th May, it is Taurus as per sun sign. Zodiac is a Taurus. So if you can message me your thing, let us check like it is same tree or same pet or favorite color, whether it matches or not. As I said, in India, as somebody was, or I think Vasudev was saying, in India we follow both. हमारे लिए दोनों भी important है, कि moon sign भी important है और sun sign भी. And in this book also, she has also mentioned that if you are not able to totally relate with these sun signs, that means your moon sign may be affected. I mean, उसने ऐसा भी दिया है कि other factors are also in play like that. So, as you said, correctly pointed out, it is like that. So, but for me, as I said, fun के लिए, I thought I'll take everybody's and I'll try to cross check with this whether it is matching or not. It will be, I mean, I think everybody will be curious ना कि क्या लिखा होगा, कुछ मैच करता है कि नहीं, ऐसे होता है. I mean, मैं तो बच्चों की तरह सोचती हूँ, मुझे बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी होती है हर चीज की. If anybody has like that, they can message in the group or also in the this thing.
Okay, think about this, that whatever the four answers, they all matches Taurus, and you discover that this person is not a Taurus. Now what?
So that means, that's what I'm saying. It is like
That means some जन्म पत्री में गड़बड़ हुआ है.
अरे हम तो इंडिया में है ना, तो हमारा
मैं
तो
इंडिया
इंडिया
की बात
चलेगा.
कर रहा हूँ. हो सकता है वन को किसी ने फोर पढ़ लिया.
see, you know, Pinaki, she has given the, अभी flowers का नाम यहाँ के दिया है, पेड़ों का नाम भी यहाँ के दिया है. यहाँ थोड़ी ना बनियान और नीम ट्री मिलेगा. You understand? She has given the tree names according to what is found in her climatic conditions, right? So
That's what I was thinking, because I have my favorite tree is a people tree.
but something she has mentioned about this also. And one more thing I want to talk, like I wanted to present the PPT. I mean, I'm still preparing it. In the end, no, what I didn't like is she has given references. जैसे हम लोग bibliography, I mean, वो देते हैं ना कि कहाँ से लिया matter ये सब कुछ. And I was so disappointed. She didn't mention in एक भी Indian का कुछ भी नहीं दिया है.
तो उसका किताब
So-
कैसे बिकेगा?
Sorry.
Then how her book will sell? If she mentions even an Indian name, then somebody will just look for that particular source, and that person may discover an ocean.
That's
And
what.
then
But
that person may say कि अरे यार इसने तो सारा यहीं से उठाया.
बट when you see, हम तो कितना प्राउडली इन लोगों को मेंशन करते हैं. हम तो इंडिया में जैसे हम लोग we sell because of the western thing,
Yes,
isn't it?
yes.
We
Even
are
the books
doing
that
that.
we are reading, these are all written by offshore authors, foreign authors.
And only
जितनी
in the
ज्यादा
entire
किताबें हम पढ़ रहे
200
हैं हर
pages
लोग.
book, in the entire 200 pages book, she has only mentioned it once, you know, that Vedic astrology ऐसे भी कुछ है. I was so disappointed with that, and we are so proud of our, I mean, heritage and all. And she has mentioned, they mention, what I have seen is they mention about Chinese. They talk about, like, even my kids, they have no Africa ka diya hua hai and other things, but they don't give really importance to Indian as a
Nisha, what opportunity you see for yourself here?
No, I am just learning. That is what I am just learning.
Yeah, so what is the
But I
opportunity you
just
see
want to
from
see
here?
that. Sorry,
आप अपने लिए क्या opportunity देख रहे हो यहाँ पे?
opportunity अभी तो कुछ नहीं देखा है, लेकिन the way you are pointing me, so I must think about it. But what I'm saying, that I'm really little disappointed when I say this, because हम कितना proudly इन लोगों को इतना
इसीलिए
भाव
तो मैं
देते
कह
हैं.
रहा हूँ इस disappoint में आपको क्या opportunity दिख रहा है?
I have to think about it. I will think.
ठीक है,
Because
See,
you
आपको
are
नहीं
with
दिख रहा
pointing.
your
तो मैं
own
बता रहा हूँ मुझे
fit,
क्या दिख रहा है.
with your own Indian background and knowing so many things, especially you know at least four languages to speak, and with that and with multicultural background that you have, still if you feel in looking at this book that this there is so much to learn, if people who don't know anything at all, because if in India, if you go, everyone at least know what is Ashwini, what is Bharani, what is Krutika. At least 25% of people will listen to the name and say it is one of the nakshatras name. At least our age people, most of us. Maybe we will not be saying like a flow. Ashwini, Bharani, Krutika, Rohini, Mrugashira, Pushya, Rudra, Punarva. So ऐसा भी मैं everyone may not be able to sing like me, but everyone knows that रोहिणी सुनने से नक्षत्र का नाम है, or whichever certain names अश्विनी सुनने से. So with all our knowledge and all, if you feel there is so much, if you just give a taste of it to the Europeans, how much is the kind of thing that will be there.
Absolutely.
Yes, yes. Even yoga, I have seen, like, Instagram में ads आते हैं, हर जगह योगा का इतना थोड़ा सा चेंज कर देते हैं, और इनका नाम, मतलब, they do it so easily. I mean, हम ऐसे करते नहीं है ना इंडिया में कि वेस्टर्न का कुछ लिया और अपना बना लिया ऐसे, मतलब जल्दी से. We
You know
give
why?
respect to them.
You
We
know why,
give them
Nisha?
that.
You know why, Nisha? Like how they can do it and how we cannot do it.
I don't know.
क्योंकि हमें बचपन से सिखाया गया आप दो, लेकिन लेने का कोई रास्ता हमें कभी सिखाया नहीं गया. And in other cultures, in other foreign countries, it's the other way around. So इसलिए they know how to package things and make it sellable. We don't know how to make
Exactly.
ourselves sellable also. इसलिए हम सब कुछ पढ़ के जब इंटरव्यू देने जाते हैं हमें पता तक नहीं कि हम किस लिए जा रहे हैं.
Correct.
इंजीनियर बन गए, कुछ भी बन गए, and we are still wondering कि चलो हम इंटरव्यू देने जाएंगे, it's my luck if I get a job.
Yes, sir.
So you are not even trained how to sell yourself, how to sell your service.
Correct.
सेलिंग हमें सिखाया नहीं गया, और बचपन से बोला जाता है कभी भी बेचने का कोशिश मत करो, देते रहो, दान करो.
Yes.
So their culture is all about making money out of anything and everything. They know how to package it.
Exactly.
The way they package this book, you were only talking about the book, the way it was packaged, the pictures, the colors, the texture, the number of pages. You haven't said 200-page book. You said there are 12 books. You said everything about the packaging. And then you are saying you're disappointed because the name India was not mentioned anywhere. So they are very good at packaging things.
Yes.
हम NLP कर रहे हैं 1975 से. 1975 के जितना भी हम NLP concept की बात करें, they are all in our scriptures. Not a single thing is there which is not there in our scriptures. They packaged it. That's it. और उसका नाम दे दिया NLP.
One more thing I want to say in these lines, because I have seen it. My son, he has business from 9th standard. Do you see? Like,
Yeah.
so that is what Pinaki is saying. Like, they know from the childhood itself कि how
Yes.
you sell yourself, how you do business. I mean, जो भी है idea ले लो. They are not teaching accountancy. I was like, surprised. My husband was, he is an accountant, so he was searching for the account का portion कहाँ है. तो business book है subject, but they are not teaching accountancy there. So they are hiring accountants, no, from India. They are getting that clerical
Yeah.
things. But
Yeah.
here they are creating business leaders, those who
Yes.
can I
Yes,
mean, run the accountants, or I mean, like that. I
yes,
mean, that is my thoughts. I don't know, but
yes.
that is how I felt, because ninth standard से business है, you can choose business, and in India हम 12th तक भी मतलब उतना business को तो कोई ध्यान ही नहीं देता है, कोई सिखाता ही नहीं है how to do business, how to present yourself, how to do.
लोग एमबीए करके भी जॉब ही ढूंढते हैं.
Yes.
Correct. I mean, I
You
have
know,
seen my friend, no, who is
you
a
know
chemical engineer.
this.
He has done MBA बाद में. I mean,
There was this big show going on in Delhi right now. The big AI show, AI conference. You know, how many of you are aware of it? Now, this is the largest one which is going on in Delhi right now. And like all these AI giants, they are here. All these big bigs, they are here. And naturally, even people were talking about AI, 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 AI. I asked all of them that you look at the stage. उस stage में मोदी के साथ जितने लोग खड़े थे हाथ उठा के, think about them. What is common among all of them who were on that stage? What is common about every person who was there on the stage? What is common?
they
None
are
of them
following.
know AI.
Okay.
किसी को AI का कोई expertise नहीं है. They are only using अपना intelligence, AI. That AI they are using to hire people who are developing their skills in AI. Think of it. Everyone who was on the stage, everyone, none of them is an expert in AI. They only know what AI is all about, how AI can be leveraged to get their job done, to get their dreams fulfilled.
That's the
Yeah. So that's why I asked you
reality.
that what do you see for yourself? Like, what is the opportunity you are seeing for yourself? The
I have
opportunity
to.
is you write a book, you author a book, and you make it equally presentable. The way he has done it, you make it equally presentable with
No, but I have to
all.
study so much for it. No,
हाँ,
I
study
can't.
karo. But you see, that is what I'm talking about. If she can do so much, you can do 100 times of it. The point is that are you ready for it or not? Are you like mentally, emotionally inclined to get that thing done?
I have to. But as I said, it's a detailed study. हमको confidence नहीं होता है ना कि हम ये
कॉन्फिडेंस है
कोई.
ना, कॉन्फिडेंस से तो आपने इतना बड़ा बढ़िया प्रेजेंटेशन दे दिया. एंड थ्रू द प्रेजेंटेशन यू मस्ट लिसन टू इट. प्रेजेंटेशन हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू से आई डोंट नो, 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 आई डोंट नो. काउंट करना एक्चुअली कितने बार आपने आई डोंट नो बोला.
I have to see.
और जितने भी एरिया में आपने आई डोंट नो बोला, दैट इज all the most of the readers who are reading that book are going through the same emotion. और उसे आई डोंट नो को आपको आई नो में कन्वर्ट करना है, एंड योर बुक विल बी अ इंटरनेशनल बेस्ट सेलर. आई कैन गाइड यू that how to
Yes.
see. I am very good at ideating कि कौन सा आइडिया लेके किताब लिखने से काम बनेगा. And I've done a big kind of research on that area over last 2 years. So it's
Yes.
see, every day 6,000 books are being published worldwide. The point is how many of them are people are actually buying and reading, actually thinking about ये किताब मेरे हाथ में होना जरूरी है.
Correct.
So you need to fill that void, and you can do it because you are already identifying. जितने भी I don't know बोला ना वो सारा list down करना. Well, you have said it 100 times or maybe 50 times. List down all those areas where you have said I don't know from the recordings of this session. And in every area you can make things I know. And you can create a lifetime of opportunity for anyone who would like to read that book. It's your responsibility if you want to take it up.
Yeah. As I said you in the beginning, I become speechless in front of you, so I have to. I can just keep quiet.
I was speechless throughout the session.
This is a huge thing, huh? What you
Yeah.
said, Pidaki. I don't know. What you said is really
Again, you are saying I don't know.
Yes, exactly. You said it again. It's okay.
yeah,
It's
I
okay.
caught myself just now.
It's okay.
And
See, this is what is being authentic is all about. Like that great philosopher Galileo, or even the Socrates, Aristotle. The जब इनका वो conclave, like they were all in that king's court, and everybody asked that whoever knows they should be here, and those who don't know they can leave this place. So he left the place. He was on the way to leaving the place, leaving the court, and the king asked him, "Come on, how come you are leaving the court?" He said that at least I know that I don't know, and others know that they know. So I'm the only person who don't know, so that's why I'm leaving this place. So it's good that it's like it all came to you naturally. So stay in that way. It's good that this is coming to you naturally. The opportunity is to catch yourself where you are saying on what context you are using that I don't know thing. Because those are the areas where you can create clarity or create curiosity to come out of the confusion that you have.
Hmm.
है ना? और ज्यादातर लोगों का यही हो रहा है, जो आपका मेरा भी वही है. Even if I take this book and start reading it, probably I will also go to the same things. अरे ये भी मैं नहीं जानता, ये भी मैं नहीं जानता, अरे ऐसा भी होता है, वैसा भी होता है.
Correct.
How I connect astrology with science, or astrology, astronomy. Astro is all about the world out there. The way this planetary system is designed, the solar system is answer solar system की अगर बात कर, the way it is designed, every cell inside your body उसके अंदर एक atom है. Your cell के cell में भी लगभग वैसा ही कुछ activity हो रहा है. There's a nucleus inside that cell and everything is working around that nucleus. Now you go into the nucleus, you will find the DNA. You go into the DNA, you will find the atoms. और सारे atoms का structure वही है. Electron, proton, neutron, वही हो रहा है. The same thing, huge space, and these electrons are running around the protons.
Correct.
Running around the nucleus of that atom. Structure is same. So that's why they are all connected.
Yes.
If there is any possibility that you see how these are connected, this is how they are connected. The structure is the same. They are all connected. Aapka body is only a collection of those atoms. That's it.
Yes.
Yeah. So the connection is always there. The point is how these connections are working in my favor. That is what I need to figure out. That is where astrology is coming in. Astronomy के साथ मैं एक लॉजिक को कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, कुछ नॉलेज को कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, which is appearing to me probably connected. है ना? जैसे आपने बोला कि जब मून का इम्पैक्ट होता है ड्यूरिंग दोज इक्लिप्सेस, सो सारा दिन में 12 घंटा टाइट होता है, 12 घंटा एब होता है बिकॉज ऑफ मून्स इम्पैक्ट. तो आपका बॉडी भी 70% वाटर, तो उसका इम्पैक्ट उसमें होगा ही होगा. तो कॉमन सेंस है, इसमें कोई साइंस अलग से लगाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. द पॉइंट इज हाउ इट इज इम्पैक्टिंग मी इन दोज टाइम्स. उसके बारे में अगर मैं थोड़ा जानकारी ले सकता हूँ कहीं से, तो हो सकता है आई कैन मेक माई लाइफ बेटर.
Yes.
Or I can make my way of living better. Forget about life. I can make my way of living
Way
better.
of living better. Yes.
तो ये सारे स्टडीज का फाउंडेशंस वही है, हाउ आई कैन मेक माई लिविंग बेटर.
Correct. She has also given the same thing, like to, yeah.
है ना? हम जब पीएचडी करते हैं, डॉक्टरेट करते हो, व्हाट डू वी स्टडी इन पीएचडी? जब आप पीएचडी का मतलब क्या, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ पीएचडी?
Philosophy.
यस. जहां पे मैं अभी मेरा नॉलेज को नोन के साथ अननोन को कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ.
Correct.
कहीं पे भी व्हेन आई एम कनेक्टिंग नोन विद अननोन, दैट इज फिलोसॉफी. सो आप किसी भी स्ट्रीम से पढ़ के आ जाओ, व्हेन यू आर डूइंग अ डॉक्टरेट, you are basically getting a connection, setting up a connection between the known and the unknown in some way or other.
Yes.
That's why the highest degree is the PhD. मतलब ultimately आपको philosophy पढ़ना पड़ेगा, चाहे आप कितना भी कुछ भी पढ़ लो, पढ़ते पढ़ते आप वहीं पे चले
Philosophy
जाओ.
of education. मैंने philosophy of education पढ़ा है, so that is why like I go deep sometimes, like in the subjects I'm intrigued with. So it's like that.
और अगर हम NLP को भी थोड़ा सा कनेक्ट करें इसके साथ, तो बेसिकली इट्स ऑल अबाउट फिलोसॉफी, कनेक्टिंग द नोन विद द अननोन. हम वही कर रहे हैं ना. डिस्टॉर्शन क्या है? कि कोई नया इमेज आया, कोई नया इंफॉर्मेशन है, उसको मैं अपने नॉलेज के साथ कनेक्ट करूँ. So NLP is also some form of PhD. I would say it's a living form of PhD. You are actually living it.
Yes, correct.
Chalo, good. Wonderful session, deep discussion. I really love the way you presented it. बहुत सुंदर
Thank
आपने,
you.
and I love the energy that you brought into the session. वो बहुत जरूरी है. And you
You
made it.
see, right? I was so, I mean, this, I mean, I was also able to feel that the way I was presenting today. And
Yeah.
thank you so
Good.
much. Padma ji
Bye-bye,
wanted
Nisha.
to say something actually. She said
Yeah,
at the
Padma, go
end
ahead.
she was. Is she there, Padma ji?
Yeah, she is there. Padma, you wanted to say something? Just we can't hear you. Can't hear. You are not audible. No. You are not audible.
No, yeah. Not even a single letter or
We
word we
can't
could
hear
hear.
anything. Hmm. Maybe something somewhere you have switched off something. Okay, just
Rajeshwari
write in the
also
group.
left. I think everybody left. Yeah.
Yeah, not everybody. 3 of us are still there.
I mean, yeah, I mean,
Okay, you share in the group, Padma, because we are unable to hear. All right.
okay. Thank you so
Bye bye.
much.
Good night.
Thank you, both of you. Good night. Yeah.
Yeah, Sunday reading. Join karna सुबह सुबह 6:30.
I told you, na, I'm in Europe, so I'm not able to. Every day I'm seeing and I'm feeling jealous of all of you.
अरे यूरोप को थोड़ी देर के लिए इंडिया बना लो. उस वक्त करो.
Okay.
Yeah. All
I'll
right.
be coming to India soon, so I'll try to.
Good.
Yeah, sure.
You.
Okay. See
Yeah.
you.
Bye bye.
Good night.
Good night.